Hello, Steve Arts 89. Well, I saw in the news today that the government is ending the last of the restrictions on October 14. I am baffled by this level of denial and gaslighting. Okay, a certain situation that's been around for a year, 2.5 years now, is at a low point, which is great, but it's not gone. We still have thousands of cases per week, hundreds of people in ICU, tens of people dying. It's not gone. Living with it doesn't mean denying it exists. It means doing the things we actually need so the most vulnerable people are, exposed to the least amount of risk. That's what we do if we care about our fellow citizens. But apparently we don't. Apparently we care more about denial and conspiracy theory and pandering to right-wing ideology and capitalism. Apparently that's what people care about more, and I'm continually shocked that, I understand after 2.5 years people are exhausted and they don't want to deal with it, but that doesn't mean you just get to not deal with it. Like, just insisting it's gone doesn't mean it's gone. It doesn't make the public health problem go away. People are still going to get infected. People are still going to be in hospital. There's still going to have to be people taking care of them. There's still going to be nurses watching people die every day and being told that it's not happening, basically, which is maddening to them. And it's just baffling that people really care more about denial. Just they'd rather live in an imaginary world where people are dying and they just don't pay any attention to it. And I know it's like less than 10 people a day. It's like, I don't know, I haven't checked the numbers this week. Last week it was like 80 for the week, I think. But, if even 50 people were killed in a flood or a shooting or a train accident or something, it'd be a national tragedy. But, 50 people could die of you-know-what every day, and people just act like it doesn't matter. Those people don't matter, apparently. Their lives don't matter, apparently. And I just don't even want to socialise with people. I don't even want to speak to people, because I don't want to hear the justifications and the gaslighting and the excuses, and I don't want to hear people bragging about how much they're enjoying their denial. How's your denial today? Oh, wonderful. I don't want to deal with it. I'd rather just stay here in my bubble, where at least I can talk to people online who actually understand the situation and aren't in denial of it, because I don't want to have to... I can ignore the people online, that are saying, spreading all the conspiracy theories and the misinformation, and that I can ignore them online. In person, you can't... and I've already had a few people yell things out at me when they see me wearing a mask and so forth, bullying people because of health concerns and that, and being responsible or feeling vulnerable and wanting to protect yourself, attacking people and threatening people and bullying people over those things, which has been happening on and off over the last couple of years. It's a real thing. It's just really disturbing. I'm just really disappointed in people, and I'm just exhausted by it, and I needed to just put it into words. I need to verbalize it. I needed some YouTube therapy. I need to say it even if no one's listening, because it's just disappointing. I'm disappointed in my fellow Australians. I felt like when all this started, the government was taking care of us and we were taking care of each other, and now I just feel like people are just in denial and they care more about the illusion of normality than they do with people's lives. I don't know what else to say. It's just really sad, and I just don't want to deal with people. Yeah, I'm gonna go. Feel free to share, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. I want this to end too, but pretending like it has when it hasn't doesn't make it real. And I just don't understand how people can live in that denial. I can't. I'm gonna go. Bye.